Hey, what's happening? Barnaby here, another VetIonx moment where your pet is our pet, and we've been getting a lot of chatter via email, Dr. Char, about, well, the products, and people have questions about how they affect their pets specifically. So, you want to go after this?
Sure.
Here we go. What does arthro-ionx do that arthritis medications can't do for my dog?
Well, arthro-ionx is homeopathic, and so it works very quickly to offer some pain relief, and it also stimulates the body to heal. And that is way better than a traditional medication that has side effects and can actually slow down the course of healing or do nothing at all, in terms of stimulate healing. It only, blocks the pain receptors.
Okay, so that's for dogs. Let's flip it over because we have another person who is a cat owner with the very same question. What about it for cats?
Well, and so it's very important for cats because I get questions all the time that people ask, could I give aspirin or Tylenol? And if they do that for their cat, they could very well kill it because the cat has different detoxification pathways than the dog, and so those drugs would be extremely harmful.
Okay, well, let's flip it over to a larger beast because apparently there's a horse owner out there that would love to know, what does arthro-ionx do that arthritis medications can't do for my horse?
Well, so with horses, it's very advantageous because a lot of times, bute is used for a horse to alleviate pain. However, whenever you're using nonsteroidal anti-inflammatories, you can cause ulceration of the gastric mucosa and bleeding, and so it affects the horse. They can only take these types of drugs for so long. So if you can ameliorate pain safely, then that's the thing to do.
Well, when people hear about a good product, they think, well, if it's good for my dog or cat, is it good for me? And that is a question from one of the people that wrote in. So can a human take the arthro-ionx and expect the same sort of results that you see in a pet?
Well, the basic premise still holds true for people. However, we do have a sister company called Hello Life. And so for the equivalent of arthro-ionx would be Rheumatrol, and the equivalent for Promaxil would be Panazol. And so, it's very easy to go to that website and they can look at the fine products that are listed there.
Excellent. Well, this is kind of fun, isn't it? Because you get a little bit of give and take going here. The people that log on to VetIonx are asking you questions, getting great answers, and actually, so you don't have to always sift through the videos, you actually do reply via email to these folks, correct?
Yes, I do. So there's a little link that they have to agree to the terms, which means that we can't guarantee that we will answer promptly. Sometimes when I'm online, I'm able to respond back within a minute, but sometimes, if there's a lot of emails that come in, it could be a longer length of time. It could be a week or so that before they would get the reply, and so of course we can't be held liable. If their animal is in a crisis, they need to go to, an emergency facility. And, but, we do pretty well at answering the questions, and we have this ongoing, conversation back and forth. And so we get to know their pets.
Excellent. Well, it is always good to hear what's on people's minds, and we'll answer them as we can. We've got 4 pages here that we're going to try to do. And so the videos are deep, the information is beneficial, so it's all another VetIonx moment where, seriously folks, your pet is our pet, so check back often.